Hi, this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. What we have in a lot of these RVs now is these electric fireplace heaters. They're all the same, whether they're in your house or in an RV. Some are thinner models, some are wider models. Some have a little bit more BTU, British Thermal Unit output or heat output. But basically, most of them run off a 15 amp circuit. Okay, so you can only get so many watts out of it. If you multiply 15 amps times 120 volts, that tells you your wattage. So here we go. We're going to show you this one, and I'm going to pull it apart and take it out to the garage and fix it for my wife because it ain't working. There you go. That's what I do for a living, fix stuff. So here we go. Turn this camera around. All right, so now the fake flames and all are working. Okay, I'll try to hold this. And I'm going to, I got the remote on it somewhere, but there's temperature. Arrow 1, bang. So we turn it off. Five, let's see, timer. There's the lights off and temperature. Bang, E1. Okay, so it's got an E1 here. The thing putting out no heat and the blower motor ain't coming on. So I'm going to disassemble this thing and take it out to the garage and troubleshoot it with you. So this will be video 1. So I'm going to, basically it's in a house unit, but it's pretty much the same in an RV. All right, I'm going to put you on pause here. All right. What you do, you see these screws right here. And then this one holds it right there. Okay, that one. And then you got these. Hold on, I'll get this set up. Most of this was created by our furry creature. Right there's a screw. So there's those screws on each side. I already took this panel off right here. All right, and let's see if it's got any screws on it. This 60s is kicking my butt. All right, well, I worked out this morning, so I'm happy about that. But here we go. And we got 2 screws over there. So I'm going to get ready to take these screws off and put you on pause. And I'll get right back with you before I pull the unit out. Okay, like anything, you want to unplug the 120. All right, so, all right, follow this out. I'm gonna get my grandson here to help me more. Okay, I think that's it. I'll hit the remote. Yep, nothing's happening. All right, put you on pause and we'll take those screws out. It should be a total of 2, 4, and then 5th one right there, that little L bracket. All right, folks, there it is. It's out. I made a mistake, actually. This one is a little bit different than an RV, but the principle, the board, the heater, you didn't have to take these out because that kept the glass on the front. Probably have to take it out when I go outside. All right, put you on pause and put them screws back in. All right, folks, there it is. Yes, we're in my house. Like I told you, that unit is the same on most RVs. They're a little bit thinner. The boards are identical. Some of the heating elements are identical. I'm going to show you the commonality amongst all these. And yes, that's Bella. Bella. She's relaxing. I have to get the heater up and running because she likes her heater on. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. This is video 1 of the electric fireplace heater, or what we call supplementary heater in an RV or in a house even. So a couple ways to get a hold of me, right? Obviously, you're watching a YouTube channel called RV Diagnostics. 2, you have the Facebook page RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting, which is well over 15,000 members. it's heading towards 16,000. And that's in less than 3 years, folks. March, I believe it's the 13th, will be its 3rd year. Thank you very much for all the members out there that have joined. Also, there's the garage. I work on RVs. It's in Seaford, Delaware, 19973. You can get a hold of me on Facebook Messenger. Not giving my telephone number out over this, because I did that once and woo, Lord, was I busy for 3 months. So the other way is, if you're remote out there on your own and figuring things out, there's a couple thousand of you that have joined this website called www.rvdiagnostics.com. That's where I do one-on-one troubleshooting with you. If you don't know how a multimeter works or certain tools, believe it or not, it works. There's people out there that are troubleshooting that haven't had a clue. First off, they didn't know what a multimeter was. Now they do. They know how to work it. 12-volt, 120-volt systems, saving them thousands of dollars a year. And there's a gentleman that started out with me, like he's my second member that joined the website. The other one was a lady down in Texas, which I think she's up north now. And I helped her get a generator started with hairspray, believe it or not, just to troubleshoot. So there's other ways to do stuff. Once again, thank you very much for everybody. There's a continuation video, and there's, I don't know, 200 other videos on certain subjects like the MECP rule: mechanical, electrical, chemical, hydraulic, and pneumatic. What's the first 4 letters of mechanic? M-E-C-H. And with those 4 letters and a 5th one called the P rule, pneumatic, the study of pneumatics, you can figure out a lot of things. Well, once again, this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I'm going to sign off here. There is a continuation video on this. I'm going to take this out to the garage and play around. Thank you very much.